Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change your printer head or print head in HP Officejet Pro 8600 or 810 or 8610. Okay, that kind of those kind of that series, or the that 8610, 8600 and more and more and more. You would do the same thing. The same thing you're gonna see also to change cartridges. But now we don't have new printer heads, but we're gonna show you how to do that even if we don't have. So come here, press it, you open. When you open, so the printer head's gonna move, come to you. When it comes to you there, you can see at the back here, you can do this, then you take them out. Then once you take them out, this is the entire compartment, but sometimes it's not advisable to take them that way. Sometimes what you can do, and put it back, put them back. Okay, then you press, take out the cartridges first, take out the cartridges second, you press, you get out this another cartridge, you press, you get another cartridge also. After doing that, then you press wherever we press, then you take them out. So this is the entire device. Some people can change them, some they prefer to do what, to what they call to clean them. They know how to clean them. Some people can clean here at the back and all lot of that setup, of which if you're not a technical guy, it could be very difficult for you. But I never bought them before, but I only know how to fix, like, you know, I change them from different machines to other machines. So you can buy old machine, then change them, because you can see it gives us that error that the cover no, that's not. I'll show the error. Let me put back this. Also putting back, you just do the same thing. In case you buy them, once you buy, then you put that, then close that. You don't close, because if you close, it might move that side before you put in the cartridges. So magenta goes in the first place. Wonder why magenta doesn't want to go in, and it should go in nicely. Okay, it's fine. Start with other colors like black. Okay, press in black. Go back to your magenta. Let me leave it. Come with the yellow, which is second in line here. Okay, we'll go with the blue, which is cyan. Okay, then you put magenta ones. Okay, once you're done, then you can go up here, press this, then you find, then you close. Yeah, you can see it still says that message that missing failed printer head. The print head appears to be missing, not detected or incorrectly installed. You can see that that is what it says, and there's nothing you can do, only to replace them with new ones or from a different machine. Well, it's the same video, which I want to take an opportunity to tell you that once you get this message, you're gonna have to change them. I got another machine. I bought this machine. This machine is older than that machine, which this one I bought it just for specifically for those printer heads, because they could cost you $120, of which this machine I bought it less than $50. Then I replaced them using the, and you know, people who use this is the home use stuff, they don't normally do print a lot. Anyway, that problem is done for now. But then after a couple of maybe 6,000 copies, I'm gonna have to replace them in that another machine, which I'm not showing the video. Okay, well, I request that you help us and subscribe to our tutorial channel, and also share it to friends and family. Yeah, this is the video for you, how to change the printer heads. But go online on marketplace, check people who might be selling their printers. You get me? So you might get a couple of people who might be selling their printers. Then yeah, when you get them, then it will be easier for you to do that. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. You can see when I'm done here, still this message can't go out unless if I'm gonna fix the printer head. You can see it comes with cartridges, the black, magenta. These are, the guy gave me the new cartridges, was a very good guy. And you can see Europe, Russia, whatever. Okay, they don't give you how many copies, I don't know, it makes, but anyway, they come like this. HP, these are the cartridges we have. But they were supposed to give, but also these cartridges go to the 950, they go to, in this machine, 8600 and 8610, and also other machines. Yeah, I was supposed to conclude the video long ago, but you know, sometimes there is something which come up to talk about. Yes, yeah, I hope everything is fine, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share.